pleasure for me to be here tonight to remember what happened in Haiti. It is my hope that we will learn from what happened in order to better things, to avoid this amount of damages from happening again. I'm going to share a poem that I wrote especially for this occasion with you. And the title is Haiti Still Stand. Natural disasters, political crisis, Haiti still stands. Exploited and abused, she urges for peace and relief. A people's resiliency through misery begs for a chance to rebuild a country. Rich in arts and natural resources, she's often the prey of many forces. She's calling a people out for unity, to one day obtain true victory over oppressors and dictators, acting just like real predators. Haitian diaspora, it is your responsibility to learn from the past and your enemy, to wake up and protect your castle for a better future for your people.